Let's say you have a VPN running on your phone and need to get that exact same secure connection onto your laptop or tablet. The cleanest way to do this is to route the traffic, so that your secondary device doesn't need any VPN software installed on it at all. To set this up, you need three things: your main Android phone, the target device you want to connect, and an active server configured inside the ZIVPN app. By bridging the connection this way, you bypass standard carrier tethering restrictions and share your secured network with any hardware you own. Step 1 is getting the core tools. Open the Play Store on your Android phone and install the ZIVPN Tunnel app. Next, search for a companion app called VPN Share, developed by iOrgana Software, and install that as well. Before we configure the sharing settings, ensure you already have a functional UDP or V2Ray server ready to go inside ZIVPN. Now open ZIVPN. Tap the menu icon in the top right and select MISC Settings from the drop-down list. Inside that menu, check the box labeled Share VPN. Ticking that box changes how your phone handles its network traffic, allowing it to act as a localized proxy server for your other hardware. Stop. Do not hit the Start button inside ZIVPN just yet. There is a strict sequence you have to follow here. Your mobile hotspot must be broadcasting before the VPN connects. Pull down your Android Quick Settings menu and turn on your mobile hotspot right now. If you reverse these steps, the VPN tunnel establishes itself without recognizing the local hotspot interface, and your external devices won't get an internet connection. By activating the hotspot first, the VPN tunnel completely wraps around the tethered connection. With the hotspot running, go back to ZIVPN and hit the Start button. Wait until you see the orange stop indicator, which confirms your secure connection is active. Switch over to the VPN Share app and flip the toggle switch in the top right corner to start the proxy service. Once the status says running, the app generates two specific pieces of information on your screen. Write down the proxy address and the proxy port number exactly as they appear. These numbers are the exact coordinates your secondary device needs to find and enter the secure tunnel we just built. Grab your laptop or secondary phone and connect it to the Wi-Fi hotspot you started earlier. Once connected, open the advanced Wi-Fi settings for that specific network and change the proxy configuration from none to manual. In the proxy hostname box, type in the exact IP address you documented from the VPN Share app. Then enter the port number into the proxy port field below it and save your settings. Applying these manual overrides forces the target device to route all of its internet traffic directly through the primary phone's encrypted envelope. At this point, the data path is complete. Your secondary device is now active and secure. You can repeat this exact same manual proxy configuration for as many devices as you need to connect to your hotspot. If this setup process helped you bypass your tethering blocks, hit the like button and subscribe for more network guides. By leveraging a local proxy, you strip away hardware limitations and push a single secure connection across your entire setup.